Here I have HUAWEI P20 Pro, and let me show you how to enable the unknown sources on the following device. So basically let me show you how to allow the apps installation by using some different sources than the Play Store. At the very beginning, let's start by using your settings. Here you need to choose security and privacy right here, and now let's scroll down and choose more. Scroll down again, choose install unknown sources, and here you've got the list of applications that you can allow installation. So for example the Chrome, so you can enable the Chrome installation. Right now you can install some apps directly downloaded from the Chrome. You can also go back and you may do the same thing, for example with the Gmail, so with your email account, with your files. Here for example you can enable the SD card installation and other stuff as well. So basically that's it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.